Teacher Bonnie here with the topic at the zoo. For this video, we are not talking about animals. We are going to talk about a body part of an animal. For dogs, if they're happy, they will wag their... Very good. It is their tail. Tail, tail, tail. We're going to talk about the word tail. For the word tail, there are 4 letters, but they're only tail. 3 sounds. Let's look at the word. Okay, for the word, there's talking test, Mr. A, Mr. I, and Lucy Lamplight. Here we can see the 2 vowels go out walking story. So in the story, when 2 vowels go out walking, the first man says his name. The other man, the second man, will be too busy looking out for robots, so he will not say anything. Here, Mr. A is the number 1 man, so he will say his name. Hey. The second man, Mr. I, will be looking out for robots, so he will not say anything. Okay, so when AI is together, it's an A sound. A. Tail, tail. Tail, tail, tail. Okay, are you guys ready to spell it? Let's go! Okay, the answer is T-A-I-L. T-A-I-L. See you guys in the next video.